Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Super Mario Maker 2, but multiplayer versus. And if you don't know what that is, multiplayer versus is basically how do I explain it? A four-player battle, and there's a challenge, and whoever gets to go first wins. And there's rankings, and it's a ton of fun. And it will be a little laggy, just so you guys know. We're gonna try to get this video 20 minutes. The last video was like 35 because of all of the minutes that are not minutes. Because I played the top 10 levels, like of the world, like the most popular. And so today, we're doing multiplayer versus, and then we'll do multiplayer co-op in the next episode. And so this should be uploading on Thursday. Probably Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. 1-1. That's all I can read. So you get to vote at the end too. So is there a goal? So I'm Toadette. First person to the goal wins. That's the goal. Oh, I know what it is. I think I might win this one, hopefully. Oh, I beat it. Let's go! Luigi was right behind me, too. Okay, so that was really fun. It was basically a race, kind of like Fall Guys. And yeah, so I made it, Luigi made it too, but I won. Luigi did not win. I won. So yeah, I like that level. I like it. It was fun. It was fun. And you also get a voting method for meh, which is also kind of nice. Where you like it. Like some parts were good, some parts were bad. It's like, in the middle. So in the top left, it'll say everyone's votes like combined together would make meh. Okay. But if you are out there and you're not a big fan of a lot of courses because of the lag, don't give it a bad rating because of the lag. It's not the creator's fault. It's the actual it's like your teammates and your teammates' internet. That's what's making it lag. Just I don't think you should do that if it's bad. Like if it's a really good level, but it sucks because of all the lag and how slow it is, don't give it a bad rating because of that. Give it a bad rating if you don't even like it in general. Don't give it a bad rating because of the lag. And don't give it a good rating because it's just, it's because it was actually like a good level because of lag. Like because there wasn't lag. Like, don't do that. I mean, I don't really care what people vote, but I just giving it out there just so you guys know. But yeah. This is the second episode. The third episode is coming out on Friday with the fourth episode of Fall Guys. This is coming out the third episode of Fall Guys. It's Lunk. It's Lunk. It's Lunk, guys. It's Lunk. Okay, so I can't read anything. Got it. Short and sweet, and it's a shooter. Okay, don't know what that means. It's first person to the goal, please. I'm really good at first person. Oh, it's one of these things. I'm going red. I'm Mario, so I get to go red. No, I'm going yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. Everyone immediately spammed. There's a star over there. I probably should have grabbed that. I think that makes you faster. It's also a star over there too. Yep, it does make you faster. Go, go, go. They're catching up, slowly but surely. this. Gosh, Luigi's catching up. I need to grab this star and run. It does make you faster. That's probably how we caught up. This is a cool level, it's just it's long. Hopefully this is the end. Please don't tell me you go all the way up, like, to the tippity top. This probably took a while. I mean, it's a cool level. Definitely giving it a thumbs up. Oh, okay. Hopefully I chose the right pipe. I did. I feel like someone's coming. Yep. 2 people just came. Dun, 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 dun. Go, go, go. Fun level. I like it. Really, really like it. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I was just like, how long is that level gonna be? And at least I did.
How?
I'm a god at this thing. It's kind of it was a good level. I wouldn't definize it as not definize like define it as a shooter, but it's cool. Everyone liked it. That was a really good level. But I'm only getting like 50. Excuse me. I just had to sneeze. Okay. So we're just gonna play a little bit more, try to get to like, I would say 15 minutes or so. And yeah, next episode we'll do co-op, and then this will be coming out with the 3rd episode of Fall Guys. So the 21st of July 2022, probably around 2 p.m. So expect that. Link Crash Course. I'm Luigi. Is the first person to the goal again? Oh, Link. Great. Of course, now we have to wait for Link. Dang it, I'm not winning now. So. Now we gotta wait again. What? I hate that. The jump. Trying to. Oh, I made it. I go now. There we go. Okay. I'm here, guys. How's it going? How do you? I was so close too. I would have made it. No. Sorry, I wasn't really talking. I was just focused. I bet you someone's gonna get it before. Yes, okay, at least I made it. Oh my. Yep, called it. I was like, I bet you Mario's gonna reach it. Well, too bad. Yeah. That was a fun level. I liked it. A little challenging. Especially that ending. The ending was really cool. It's just, phew, was that hard. Of course, I got hit right at like the worst part. It's a mess. I like it, but I feel like it wasn't really a good level for multiplayer versus. That's the only thing I didn't like about it. Cause, like, I mean, that's not really a good way to describe it. I would say it's like I wasn't a big fan of it because it was like it should have been a question block because so you didn't have to like wait. Like, it would have been a really cool level to do with only one person, like with just like me. But with multiple people, it's not fun because everyone's jumping and blocking you. And also, the only thing about the link is that you have to wait like 10 seconds for it to respawn, and then people get like a minute and a half ahead of you. It's just hard. Larry D back, Doris, and Fernan Fan 2. So I'm Blue Toad. I'm like always Blue Toad. Like, it's like a 90% chance of Blue Toad. Like, I feel like whenever I play like off camera or like with in front of no one, just like watching YouTube and whatever, it'll be. Hold on, I'm gonna do something cool. Oh, yo, that worked! That worked! That worked! No! Really? Really? Wait, no, it's that? Oh, God. This is gonna suck for multiplayer versus. What? Okay, I thought that would go through the floor. Why is there so many cameras? Hurry up. Hurry up, Luigi's coming quick. No! Dang it. Come on, Kamek. Why do you have to shoot your PlayStation symbols at him? Why? Wait until he died. Oh! Get wrecked, Luigi. Oh, what? Okay. Thank you. Wait, did Toadette give up? Hurry up! I'm gonna die. Oh, that's what's bad about this. If you're in first, you're gonna stay in first for a while. I have to get where there was Toadette, so that she doesn't. Or else I'm gonna die again. Run, 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 run. No, 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 no. Do it with me. Do it with me. Do it with me. Do it with me. Yes! Did Toadette die too? Oh no, she got damaged. Where did Mario go? She just sabotaged me hard. No! Dang it! Jeez, this is hard. This is a hard level. Can like someone just reach the goal? Run. 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 I have to beat Toadette. I have to beat Toadette since she has to wait. And I can take all the time I want. No, don't die. Yes, okay. Now they have to wait all that dang time. Man, this is hard. Come on, Toad. Or not Toad. Mario. Luigi. Toadette. Come on, can this Mario, like, die? Can Mario please die? And I'm gonna wait for her. I'm gonna, like, wait for her. So then... I was waiting for her. No! Heads up. Heads up. Didn't know about that. Oh my... Where did I go? Am I on this thing? Oh, I am on this thing. I was just like, This is actually really cool, but dang is it hard. What? Come on, no! No! Yay! She made it! Nope! Oh, I was so close. No! Oh, it's for me, and she's like a nice friend. Whoa! No! I hate you, Toadette. I hate you. Well, I'm dead. Dang it. Hopefully, screw Toadette. I waited for her. She was nice to me. Trash. Did you guys know that? Yep. Okay, so this will probably be our last level, depending on how long this is. This is hard. Someone... Did you guys hear that? Was that a water noise? Yes, this is hard. Why can't it be like Mario Odyssey, where it's like, woo hoo hoo, where it's like spicy, like it's spicy? Screw the mushroom. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Oh my, jeez. This is just Super Mario 3D World, but with one heart. This is basically what it is, not one heart. Who did that? Was able to do that? Run, run! Blue Toad, Blue Toad, Blue Toad! Why aren't you ground pounding? Grow Blue Toad! Can someone just get to the goal so then we don't have to deal with this? Please. Ah! Oh my gosh. This is probably going to be our last level. Please. I got to it and then Blue Toad just didn't ground pound. Jeez. Like, come on, man. Okay. Oh my. Oh, heads up. Watch out. Blue Toad. Why are there 4 of them? Why? Oof. Okay. At least they're... Oh my. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Jeez. No. Why? Please. Can just someone please reach the goal? Someone gave up. I think that was Mario. Or no. Luigi, I think, gave up. No. Come on. I was like, no, I'm not sure. Oh. I died right where... If I didn't die there, we would have probably... Ah. Okay, so either someone beats it in 1 minute and 50 seconds, or we all die and no one wins. Honestly, no way to tell if you're in the lead or not. Oh, come on. There's no way to tell if you're in the lead or not, because of how... This is, like, super expert. I could maybe beat this alone, like solos, but it would take me a while. Okay, just don't long jump here. I'm gonna long jump onto this guy. Oh my, never mind. Never mind. Backfire, backfire, backfire. Oh wait, they beat this part. So one of them is probably about to win. We actually ground pounded. And there's no one to kill me this time. Luckily, Kamek can't throw stuff through the wall. I just blind jumped. I did not know that. There was a Bowser. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. No. This is difficult. Please, could just someone reach the goal? I bet you there's a lot of power up there. Is there another sub area after that? Oh my. Oh my. Holy guy. I went up on the platform and I was like, hey, I made it. But then he went, yeet, you're gone. So they're not by the pipe. I've died like 30 times. They're not at the pipe. They're like, so there's this section to start, And then there's a middle section, which is like that sub area that we keep dying in. And then I think there's a part after that. And then there's another sub area. And then there's a part after that. And I can get to the second part. And then I die. And there's like 5 parts, I think. Because there's like 2 sub areas and then 2 overworld areas. Like this area. So I'm... Oh my... We might try to play Minecraft eventually. But it's going to be hard setting up because it's on my computer. I guess all my progress and stuff is on my computer. Okay. I've gotten this far! Oh my gosh. Blue Toad hates jumping. Okay, I don't think anyone's going to reach it. Because Toadette, the only people that can reach it is Toadette and Mario. I bet you there's a checkpoint after that part that they keep dying after. Oh my... Oh no, Mario's back at the start. There must not be a checkpoint then. There's no way there's a checkpoint. Hold on. We've got this. Whee! Yep, time's up. We lost. We just played 5 minutes worth of a level that no one beat. Jeez, I'm not a big fan of that one. I'm sorry, buddy. You made a super world. You didn't really... That was the final level of your super world, but I'm sorry. Okay, exit. But anyways, thank you guys for watching Mario Maker 2, the episode where we play versus. Wasn't really what I expected, but you know, it works. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time on Doc Do Gaming. Bye bye.